This is the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, a new version of the independently connected watch from Huawei, and it's independently connected because it does support LTE. And I have reviewed the original version of this watch on the channel. So in this video, it's going to be more of a close-up look at the design changes and upgrades on this version, the Space Edition. The Watch 4 Pro merges a futuristic space-inspired design with Huawei's advanced health monitoring functionality, and it's been designed by Huawei to stand out from the crowded smartwatch market. It boasts an aerospace-grade DLC titanium build, with DLC standing for diamond-like carbon. And this upgraded material used on the Space Edition offers a massive increase in durability, scratch resistance, and it still looks very stylish. And the redesigned clickable and scrollable crown adds a modern touch, while the new dual color nano crystalline ceramic bezel featuring striking red and black coloring adds to its premium space-aged theme. And this unique bezel is manufactured all in one piece. It's not colored after the fact. The color actually runs right the way through. And apparently this is a very difficult manufacturing process. The spherical sapphire glass used here, which was present on the original model, gives this display an almost 3D look. And this ties in nicely with that interplanetary theme on this watch. And one of the unique and exclusive features on this version of the watch is the Laval watch face, inspired by the de Laval nozzle used by humans to traverse space. And this Laval design is actually reflected on the crown of this watch if you look close enough. Anyway, this particular watch face is designed to add a unique aesthetic and provide dynamic visuals with animated flames representing your battery levels. When the flames turn blue, you're nearly out of rocket fuel, or in this case, battery. And you do still have access to over 40,000 other watch faces in Huawei's catalog as well, if you're wondering. And the user interface has been tweaked with more colors, larger numbers, ensuring better visibility even in bright lighting conditions. And this enhancement is designed to provide you with a more visually pleasing interface, making it easier for you to access all your important information at a glance. And it is built to withstand extreme conditions and certified for up to 30 meters of deep sea diving. And it meets the EN 13319 standard for diving equipment. And they say humans have explored more space than they have the deep sea oceans. So maybe you can help tip that scale, but you won't catch me down there. There's far too many scary fish. So this makes it a good choice for underwater activities, and its solid DLC titanium construction ensures that the watch can handle various demanding environments, everything from rugged outdoor adventures to deep sea diving, or even an evening out at your local dive bar. And health monitoring has always been a key focus for Huawei, and the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is no exception. It features the latest Huawei TrueScene 5.5 Plus technology, offering high precision heart rate monitoring and improved accuracy in tracking various health metrics and workouts. And the watch also includes Huawei's new Health Glance 2.0 feature that provides you with a quick overview of 9 key health indicators, including pulse wave arrhythmia, I just can't say that word, arrhythmia, and sleep breathing awareness. And what might really surprise you is it can do all of this in just 60 seconds by resting your finger on the electrode, which is the lower button on the side of the watch. And one of the great things about this feature is it can track health trends over time and include that in the report. That way you can easily see if a particular health metric has dropped or improved. So it's a very useful feature. So these advanced health tracking capabilities make this watch a valuable tool for anybody looking to stay on top of their health. And these health reports that it can create very quickly is a great way to do that. And this watch does connect to satellites orbiting the planet for incredibly accurate GPS tracking. And the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition does support the new family healthcare feature that allows users to connect with their family members and monitor their health updates as well. And this could be great for healthy competition between family members, but also very useful for keeping an eye on lazier family members, and can also be used to keep an eye on more vulnerable members of your family. And in regards to battery life, in my opinion, Huawei are at the top of the smartphone battery game, and this one The Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is no exception to this. The battery life on the Space Edition excels with its dual mode battery. This adaptable power system provides battery life of up to 21 days in its ultra long mode. So this feature is particularly beneficial for you if you lead a busy and active lifestyle and need a dependable smartwatch that keeps up with your pace. And it's also great for people who are very lazy at the end of the day and can't even be bothered to take the watch off to recharge it every single day. So the Huawei Watch 4 Pro Space Edition is more than just a smartwatch. It's a statement of innovation, design excellence, and advanced health tracking functionality. And its unique space-inspired design, robust construction, and comprehensive health monitoring features make it a compelling choice for tech enthusiasts, and more so for tech enthusiasts who are health conscious individuals, and even for those who are into out of this world fashions, and even for people who are into more formal fashions, because I do believe this watch will look pretty damn classy with a business suit. So this particular Watch 4 Pro is kind of a blend of unique space inspired aesthetic appeal and Huawei's cutting edge health tracking technology. Its interesting design elements of premium materials and unique watch faces make it quite a different proposition, and unlike any of the other earth-dwelling smartwatches out there right now. Now, you might have a lot of questions about this smartwatch in regards to its features, its sensors, and all this kind of stuff. I covered all of that in my full review. That thumbnail is on screen right now. And at the time of launch, the price on this is $549. However, I do have a promo code below this video. If you want to use that, you'll be supporting the channel and you'll be saving some money. I appreciate you guys for watching this one. I will see you in the next one. Don't be late.